Welcome to the factory!
Wow! Let's count all the colors! Wow! Welcome to the magical candy factory! Let's visit our happy monster friends today. Look, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Look at the red lollipops. Red is such a fun color. Let's make some more. Look at all the red candies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Look at all these colorful sweets. Can you help us find the red candies? Great job! Let's put it in the red jar. Yay! You are a master at sorting. Look at all the red candies.
Now let's find all the blue ones.
Look at all the blue candies. Woohoo! Can you say blue? Yay! Let's find the blue ones. I found another blue candy. Yay! Wow! Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's find the blue ones.
I found a blue candy.
Great job! Let's sort the colorful gummy bears. Red gummy bears go here. And blue gummy bears go there. Let's see what the yellow machine makes. Look at all the yummy yellow gummies. Wow, yellow letter Y. Great job learning your colors today. Look at all the yellow candies. Let's sort the yellow candies. Yellow goes in the yellow jar. We did it! Great job! Look, yellow! Wow, we did it! Look at the green machine. It makes green jelly beans. Let's sort the green jelly beans. You are doing a great job. That is so awesome! Look at the big purple machine. It makes yummy purple sweets. Yay! Look at all the colorful candies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's a rainbow candy parade. Look. 1. Now let's count. 2 candies. Let's 3 candies. 1, 2, 4 candies. Wow! Let's build a giant candy castle. First, we need a big green square. Now, add a bright orange triangle. Perfect! Look at all the colors. Great job! Wow! Look at this shape. What shape is this? Huh?
It is a perfect circle.
Let's find more circles. Look at this beautifully bright and colorful shape. This is a perfect square. Can you observe the 4 sides on this candy? Let's count them all together. Wow, look at this delicious triangle candy. Let's count the sides. You are doing a great job. Yeah! Look at the bright star candy. Let's count them all together. 1. Let us share with our friends. Look at this bright yellow heart candy.
Can you find another heart?
Wow! Look at this beautiful star candy. It has 5 bright points. 1, 3, 4, 5. Learning about stars is so much fun. Look at this beautiful heart candy. It has 2 bright curves and a point at the 4th bottom. Learning about shapes is so much fun. More candies. 2, 3, 4. Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 candies. 1.
1, 2, 3.
Let's count the gummy bears. 1, 2, 3. Good job! 1 big lollipop. Great job! That is 1. Let's count 5 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! Look at all the lollipops. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Look at the big candy and the small candy.
This one is big, and this one is small. Look at my tall tower! And my short tower. Yeah! Let's look at fast and slow. This conveyor belt moves very slowly, but this conveyor belt is very fast. Look! This candy jar is completely full.
Oh no! This candy jar is empty.
Let's fill it up with rainbow candies! Great job! Today we learned colors, counting, shapes, fruits, vegetables, and healthy habits. See you next time!